Welcome to part 3 of the Geometry Final Review, Standard 11, part 3. We're going to correct problem 3, and we're going to show you problem 4. First, I'm going to show you what we did. Everything we did in there was pretty much correct, except for right here. Remember that I put it up here, I just didn't write it right. The volume of a cone is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So, if I take this formula and just add 1/3 times on there, 1/3 there, then I'm doing a little better. So I went through, did it kind of neatly this time, make sure, because I was thinking something was wrong, and I think I figured it out. Okay, remember the first one, I tried to figure out this side, and this is the little triangle. Here's the 5 right here, got a little 5 right there. And I was able to find that one, 16.248. Then I drew this green triangle kind of in the middle of the pyramid. And I found it over here using the Pythagorean theorem. And this, of course, was the h value right there, was going up like that. And this side right here was 7. Then I plugged in the formula 1/3 the base, which is 10 times 14, times the height, which I found to be 14.66. I got 684.27. Okay, zoom in just one moment so you can see there's the calculation for that. There's the calculation for that piece right there. There's the calculation for that. Okay, so really no real big difference. You notice I got about the same numbers on the bottom. So you see on the bottom here 14.66 and 16.28. I just made a little bit of a mess up with my formula. You'll make the same mistake sometimes, so be careful. Okay, now where are we at? Got a new problem somewhere around here. It's kind of a story problem. No pictures, just kind of got to do it. Okay, so I'll put my hand here. Hope you'll focus. I hope you got enough time. Find the volume of a cone with a height of 2 feet and a base circumference of 7 pi feet. So I'm going to draw me a cone here because I like pictures. And pictures help me think through things. Okay, I already know the height. The height of that cone is 2 feet. Okay, and I know that the circumference is 7 pi. Well, I don't want the circumference, I want the area. So I know how to go from circumference to area. Let's see, circumference equals 2 pi r, and area equals pi r squared. So I got to go from circumference to radius. Once I got the radius, I can find the area. So let's see if we can do this. 7 pi equals 2 pi r. Okay, divide both sides by 2 pi's. Now we'll get the r by itself. Pi's will cancel. So I get 7/2 equals r. Now plug it into the area formula. Area equals, this is the area of the base, by the way. Pi times 7/2 squared. That is going to be 49 over 4. 49 over 4 pi. I'm sorry, 49 pi over 4. There we go. Okay, that's the area of the base. Take that and multiply it times the area. Let's see, what is our cone volume formula? Let's not get it wrong this time. Volume equals 1/3 area of base times the height. And luckily we know that this time. That's the hardest part sometimes. Okay, so 1/3. Area of the base is 49 pi over 4. And the height, I'm just going to write it as a fraction, 2 over 1. Okay, let's see what we can get here. Are those in the same unit? Good, they're all in feet. Okay. Put them all in parentheses, and that way I don't have to times 49 pi divided by 4. And the last one, of course, is just 2. So there, it might be a little easier. It's kind of ugly. 25.66 is what I'm getting. And so the volume of this should be 25.66, actually about 25 feet cubed. How are we done a cone? Okay, now, just a reminder, we'll just throw these up real quick. Okay, area of a cone, I'm sorry, volume. Remember, if you're finding the surface area of these, you'd have to find like this one, you have to find all the triangles. You'd have to find the triangle on that side, the triangle on this side, the triangle on this side, and the triangle, of course, on the bottom. You'd have to find the square on the bottom and the 4 triangles on the side if you were trying to find surface area. Okay, volume of a prism, area of the base times the height, and those are the only ones I'm going to put back up here. Good luck.